there, this is Elisa with WTI. Check out this awesome suction soap holder for your bathroom. This soap holder by SlipX Solutions is a must-have in the shower. It helps your bar soap from sliding around, getting soggy, and getting all dirty on the floors and walls. Its design has this drainage that helps soap or sponges dry fast to prevent messy soap buildup. And it also comes with a removable tray that makes cleaning a breeze. And guess what? It has a super strong grip that makes it easy to install. Just clean the surface, put it where you want, and push firmly. And just in case you are dissatisfied with the installation location, you have the option to reinstall it. Not only is this versatile for use with soap, but it can also be used for shampoo, conditioner, and other products due to its weight capacity of 11 pounds. So, if you're looking for a shower accessory that makes your shower routine a breeze, check out this soap holder by SlipX Solutions. And that's my point of view.